Are food allergies taking the fun out of your summer? Well, I'm Erin with the Gwinnett County Public Library, and today we're going to take your allergen-free summer cooking from passable to picnic-worthy. It's summer, and the whole family is ready to get outside and play. Now, usually that means fair food and beach treats, and of course, pizza. If missing out on your summer favorites is having you feeling less than festive, then pull out your pot holders. Today we're going to be learning to make gluten-free mini corn dogs. We're going to be making paleo crab cakes and pizza, all without gluten, dairy, nuts, or soy. Let's get started. Many people who have sensitivities to gluten have trouble with corn as well. So you have a few flour options when it comes to your corn dog batter. If you don't have any trouble with nuts, almond flour is an excellent choice. However, if you need to avoid tree nuts altogether, you could use cassava flour, tiger nut flour, or a mixture of the two. Both of these are actually tubers, and they contain no irritating nuts or grains. Now, whichever flour you choose to replace with, make sure that you add a little bit of arrowroot starch and a little bit of baking powder to help your batter stick together. Let's get started.
In a large mixing bowl, combine your replacement flour and arrowroot flour. Add baking powder and a little salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Lightly beat 1 egg and add it to your flour mixture. Pour in almond milk. You could use oat milk instead if you'd like. Honey, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. Blend until creamy and then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Cut your hot dogs in half, making them mini, and then insert your wooden skewers or lollipop sticks into one end, making them handheld fun. Heat your palm oil to 380 degrees. Dip a hot dog carefully into the chilled batter, twisting it until it is thoroughly coated. Then slowly lower the hot dog into the hot oil, turning slowly so that the batter will cook evenly. This took a few tries to get right, so take care. The end result is a plate filled with fun, ready for the fair or just a night at home with the family.
Taking a trip to the beach? Missing your favorite crab cakes? Let me clue you in to the 2 or 3 simple swaps that can help you make this seafood specialty a summertime staple again.
Start with 1 pound of crab in a large mixing bowl. Add coconut or cassava flour. Mince 2 scallions and add those as well. Pour in seafood spice and a 1/4 cup of Paleo mayonnaise. Add salt and pepper and bind the mixture together with a lightly beaten egg. Form into small, round crab cakes and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, coat each crab cake in more cassava or coconut flour. This will give them their distinctive crispy exterior. Heat a 1/4 cup of coconut oil in a large frying pan. Gently add your crab cakes and fry for 3 minutes aside or until a crispy golden brown. Add some sliced lemons and you are ready to dig into your dinner as soon as you're done digging in the sand.
Who loves pizza? Everyone. Unfortunately, most pizza comes loaded with gluten, dairy, and nightshades. If you're looking for an allergen-free spin to this typical takeaway, do I have a recipe for you? We might even sneak a few extra vegetables into the crust, but don't worry, I won't tell if you don't.
Combine chopped or mashed cauliflower with tapioca, gelatin, sea salt, dairy-free yeast, garlic powder, and apple cider vinegar. Stir to combine. You can break out the mixer or the food processor for this step, but it isn't necessary. Cover a pizza pan with a sheet of parchment paper. Pour your crust dough onto the parchment and spread into a small circle. Cover with a second sheet of parchment paper and roll flat with a rolling pin. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 11 minutes. On the stovetop, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a heated pan and gently sauté fresh carrots, onion, and garlic for 5 minutes. Add basil, rosemary, sea salt, and a cup of water, bringing the whole mixture to a boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Stir in your pumpkin puree, maple syrup, and balsamic vinegar. After your sauce is reduced, remove it from the heat and blend carefully. Add your finished no-mayo sauce to your pre-cooked crust. Top with your favorites. I have spinach and red onion on mine. And say hello to the return of family pizza night.
And we're ready for summer vacation. I'm Erin with the Gwinnett County Public Library. Never let food allergies get between you and the warm, sunshiny fun. With a few simple swaps, you and your entire family can enjoy everything this season has to offer. Good luck and happy cooking!